Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bolt CNC Works. My name is Nugent. I want to thank all of you that have subscribed to the channel, but I see 96% of those who are watching are not yet subscribed. Please subscribe to the channel and help us grow. Today I'm going to be engraving a leather wallet for myself. The last one I bought is no longer any good, but as you know, we need to replace our stuff from time to time. Now, in order for me to be able to laser engrave or even cut this type of leather, it needs to be vegetable tanned leather. Please don't use pleather or faux leather. Those things are toxic when you cut it or engrave it. In the description of this video, I will be putting in a link to an article regarding the safe things that you can cut or that you can engrave. But without further ado, let's begin. First of all, let's quickly, I measured this wallet and it came out to 250 millimeters in length and 95 millimeters high. So let's quickly create that. Let's click on the square. Let's just unlock it there. Then we put in 250 and 95 millimeters high. Press enter. Let's just turn on the output. Now, as you know, I like to do this because I burn this on my spoil board and then I can put down the wallet exactly where I want it to be. Now, it has a stitch line which is 5 millimeters from the edge of it. So we will click on it and then go to offset shapes. Now we don't want it outwards, we want it inwards. And 5 millimeters, then click OK. Now this one, we are going to be converting it because I don't want to cut it on my, or even mark it on my spoil board. Just going to go to T1, put it under the tool layer for now. Now, because this is a bifold wallet, we have to remember that it folds in half. So I measured it again and the engravable area is 100 millimeters by 85 millimeters. So let's quickly create that as well. Make it 100 by 85. Now we can go ahead and place it there. Let's just select both of them. And then we align them to the right and horizontally to the center. As you can see, this is now my engravable area. Now let's do one for the other side as well. We'll press down Control D, select the outline again by holding down Shift. Now we'll align it to left. As you can see, it is done. Now the wallet has a clasp that comes over. It comes over about here. So it's right in the middle of this. So I know it is 25 millimeters by 35 millimeters. So that means we cannot engrave there. So let's do it. 35 by 25. I know it needs to be here. Okay, let's just click on the select tool, select the outline, align it horizontally, and align it to the right. Now we know this is the area that we can engrave. We are now going to go over and just go and put in my name there because I want to put in my name. It's my wallet. And I also want, what's this? I want this one to be there. My name, okay, my name is Nugent. As you can see, I just need to change it to blue. Click on it and then select another layer. And then we put it right there. It's a nice size. Then we're going to go over and import whatever logo or whatever you wish to put in. Now let's go. For me, I want to put in my logo itself. Let's just go and search for it. There's my SVG. Now just resize it, place it right in the center of that. Now we are basically done, and we just need to go over to our cuts and layers, and then we will be able to put in what we wanted to engrave as. Let's just change this to blue. Okay, let's just select from the left hand side over everything we want to be included. If you select from the left hand side, you will see that only that which is included in the selection, fully included in the selection, is selected. Now if I went from right to left, everything that box touches will be selected. Now we don't want that. We only want this logo for both CNC works to be there, and then we group it. We can group it in two ways. Let's just ungroup it. Either you select everything and you go up to here and select group, or you press Ctrl G and it groups it, or you can even right click on it and press group, but it won't select that now because it is already grouped. So now we go over to our cuts and layers. Yes, we will keep this on a line. It's fast. And we will put this on 2000 millimeters per minute at 80. Just fill groups together, and then we press OK. If you don't know where to get these settings, your speed and your power settings, I'll be linking a video in the right hand corner so that you can go and you can get that, you can go and watch that video of mine that I made a couple of months back. I think it's almost a year now, where it shows you how to get the best settings. I will be updating that in the near future, but for now, this video is your best choice here. So that is basically it. Now let's see how long this is going to take. It says 16 minutes, 3 seconds. It's not that long if we look at how it's going to do it. It's going to be engraving from the left hand side over to the right hand side. Yes, 16 minutes is not too bad. But I'd just like to thank everybody for watching this video and supporting the channel. I really hope that you have enjoyed it and that you will be watching more of the videos. Yes, we're still struggling to get to 1,000, even struggling to get to 500 now. I know that's been a hiatus on my part, but together we can do it. So let's go over to the burn and we'll see each other after that. This is how the finished product looks. I've been carrying this around for a couple of months, and the engraving is still good, very clear. So yes, don't forget to subscribe and follow this channel. Thank you.